So if you saw the service video to this, it's doing a full 4 watt output, and receive is 0.42 microvolts, and done the capacitors in the power supply and one on the main board as well. As you know, these sets always hum. It's a design error, it's nothing to do with the sets being faulty, but I'm always going to do the capacitors in the power supply and the first big one on the main board to help. And before I did that, we couldn't get a 20 dB SINAD reading, and then after I did the capacitors, I could then get 0.95 microvolts. So it has made a difference. So these always hum on transmit. Remember what I said, they were a Spirit 40F hand portable, one of these, which got turned into these base stations. So it's a walkie-talkie with a power supply in a box. It was $69.99. See if Mr. Chippie's out there. This one, the meter's actually working. Most of the time you'll find one or both the meters don't work. Someone's put an LED in there. I don't like LEDs in these type of sets. I can hear bleed over. There you go. But when you buy one of these, you're buying a walkie-talkie in a big box. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I can't plug an extension speaker in this type of radio.
Roger that. Right, off we go then.
Roger Dodger. I've made sure delta tune's in the central position, RF gain's at full.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. I'm just seeing if I've got a tone control, and I haven't.
Roger.
I'm just going to say I've got the power supply on, and this is main, so let's turn that off.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
I'm using a standard replacement mic for this test, and then we'll move over to the customer's mic.
Passing Ancaster service station, and the board was lit long enough for me to tell you the prices, even though they went off. So it's 147.9, 155.9.
Well done on that. And what is it, about 7:15?
No, it's 7:30.
Roger, that must be when they're shutting then.
It is today.
Then we make it up as they go along.
Yeah, I think you just think, well, it's getting quiet now. Let's just go.
To Las Vegas or Monaco.
Roger, right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What have you got you going to Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on a Murphy CBH1500 base station from 1982. The full 4 watt output, over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over for the Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys, not the Greyleys, to the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Murphy CBH1500 base station, which is really a Spirit 40F hand portable in the big box, using a standard replacement microphone, mains operated, it's quite north of the Easter hub, and we're doing a full 4 watt output. So going to pop it onto low power. Low power was just 200 milliwatts on this set. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, Roger, no problems on full power. Low power you disappeared completely. I had to open the squelch and even then I couldn't really tell what you were there.
Yep, Roger, that's fine. But 200 milliwatts isn't very good, that's how it is. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing. Please over.
Yep, 147.9, 157.9.
Excellent, that'll work fine from my end, so 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9, 157.9.
Excellent, that'll work fine from my end, so 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay. So, that's using my standard replacement mic, which has been wired up for this radio. Then we're going to go over to our base station. We're going to start with that mic, and then we're going to try the mic which it's come with, which is a Eurosonic branded mic. And then we're going to go over to a third microphone, which is the factory original mic, only because I've got that Spirit 40F, and that's the correct mic. Where have I put that? Well, by the time I do the little test, I'll have found it. It's quite a dinky thing. So we'll go over to our base station right now.
21, testing the Murphy CBH1500 base station. It's our Midland 76900 base station. We've got air conditioning on in that room if there's a bit of a whir. Right, so this is the standard replacement mic of the type I always use for these tests. Going to go to low power because it will make a difference with these sets inherently humming. So there we are on low power, doing 200 milliwatts, and we'll go back to full power. There we are back on full power. I'm going to swap the microphone for the Eurosonic mic the radios come with from the customer. So I'm going 21, testing the radio now with the Eurosonic mic which the customer has supplied. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just go to low power. There we are, 200 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3, and then back to full power. Now we'll go over to the factory original mic that I just happen to have. So 21 testing with the factory original mic on full power, and then we'll go to low power. There we are on low power, 200 milliwatts, and now we're back to full power. Now to have a try and look at that CB1100 which we've had in for a couple of months, and see whether we can get to the bottom of the receive problem, whether it's just going to go back as it is. So thanks for watching the Murphy CBH1500